Welcome to Esther Equation Corner. So today we have this math problem to resolve. We have root a all to the power of the fifth root of a to be equal to 3125 to the power of 25. So let's begin. Let's record that root a is equal to a to the power of half. So we have a to the power of 1 over 2 further raised to the power of the fifth root of a, all equal to 3125 all to the power of 25. So we'll square both sides to have a to the power of 1 over 2 further raised to the power of fifth root of a, all squared, all equal to 3125 to the power of 25, all squared. So this will cancel this. We have a to the power of the fifth root of a, all equal to 3125 all to the power of 50. So we have 25 times 2. So from here, let's name this x. So let x be equal to the fifth root of a, which is this, and let a be equal to x to the power of 5. So when we impute these values, we have our a to be x to the power of 5. So we have x to the power of 5. And we have the fifth root of a to be x. So we have further raised to the power of x, all equal to 12,125 all to the power of 50. So we have x to the power of, we have 5 times x, which is 5x, all equal to 3125 all to the power of 50. So when we square both sides by 1 over 5, we'll have 3125 further raised to the power of 50 further raised to the power of 1 over 5. So we have x to the power of this 5 will cancel this. We have x to the power of x, all equal to 3125. We have this divided by 5 all to the power of 10. So we have x to the power of x, all equal to 3125. This 10 can be written as 2 times 5. So we have x to the power of x, all equal to 3125 is the same as 5 to the power of 5 further raised to the power of 2 times 5. So we have x to the power of x, all equal to 5 to the power of 2 further raised to the power of 5 times 5. So we have that x to the power of x is equal to 5 to the power of 2 is 25, and we have 5 to the power of 5 to be 25. So we have that x is equal to 25. Now let's record that our a is equal to x to the power of 5 and the fifth root of a is equal to x. So if x is equal to 25, let's verify the question. We have that root a all to the power of a, okay, the fifth root of a, equal to 3125 to the power of 25. So when we verify our root a, we have a to be x to the power of 5 and our x is 25. So root a will be root 25 to the power of 5. and the fifth root of a is x, so all raised to the power of x equal to, we have 3125 to the power of 25. So from here we have that root 25 further raised to the power of 5. Our x is 25, so we have further raised to the power of 25, or equal to 3125 to the power of 25. So when we reduce this, we have root 25 further raised to the power of 5 to be equal to 3125. So this will cancel out this. So from here we square both sides to have root 25 all to the power of 5 further raised to the power of 2 to be equal to 3125 to the power of 2. So from here we have that. So we have 5 to the power of 5 further raised to the power of 2 to be equal to 5 to the power of 5 further raised to the power of 2. So from here we conclude that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Thank you for watching Esther Equation Corner. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our solutions.